Welcome to the Sar Sassy Sarcastic channel by Nika Vasundar, that's me. So today actually is 19th of August 2018 and I have started my channel on 18th of August 2017. So it's exactly one complete year and I wanted to do something different, so I decided to follow the Kylie Jenner Vogue makeup tutorial and I have all my stuff laid out. So obviously I do not have all the products like Chanel and Marc Jacobs and her own summer palette that she's using, because the last time I checked I still had both my kidneys. So I've actually decided to, replace them with budget-friendly products, at least from whatever I have in my collection, except for the Huda palettes and the Jaclyn Hill, in case they need it, I have them as my backup. So other than that, almost everything is pretty much in like the $600 limit, and so it's almost pocket friendly. And let's get started. Firstly, shout out to my brother for letting me use his phone while he's sleeping and doesn't know. Ta-da! So I'll start with searching. Actually made notes to see what she does, and I have this 2-page thing to follow whatever she did. Most of the stuff I do not use, like I do not do much for my brows, they are pretty much full. So I don't use tinsel. I have this one brow pencil that doesn't even work properly. So yeah, this is. So to start with, she has already moisturized and put a chapstick on, and she's brushing her brows, and I just need to spoolie for that. Okay, so I have to now just brush my brows. I don't do much for my brows because, like I said, they are pretty much full. I don't even, at times, I don't even cater to my unibrow situation, which isn't that prominent. What I do is I take a triangle cut out of the waxing strip, paste it and pull it off. That's all I do for my brows. That's pretty. I've never actually got my brows done till today, and I'm pretty much proud of it. Like, they don't need much attention. I like how unique my brows are compared to the rest of my face. So once that is done, she goes in with her brow pencil. This is a much tighter shade. It does literally nothing for me, but I'll still try to do something. Then what she does is she carves out her brows with using a concealer. So I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Like I always, that's something I swear by. Yeah, I got it. I'll just take a bit of concealer on my hand and just carve out my brows. I need to open my specs actually. This is the time I open my specs. Dries very fast, I have to be very quick. Usually pay much attention to my brows, so all this is pretty much new. I literally don't own many brow products. The only brow product I own is this pencil, and it's basically of my use. I use it as eyeliner because I don't have a brow one. So goes ahead and does my lid with the concealer. This peachy shade on a crease, so I'll fill out my, this will do. I'll take Shy from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. She actually says that she's going in with something that matches her face. I'm going in with this because I think this is one of her favorite translucent I think this is one of her favorite transition shades, and I love the shade a lot actually. She set the whole thing with this first transition shade because I don't really do eyeshadow first. I more of a do it afterwards, after the whole face is complete kind of person. And this whole thing of doing it first is kind of white shade. Okay, I have this one from Anyway Makeup Academy Professional Spring Break collection. I have this white shimmery shade. I'm going in. This is called Aurora. This is actually one of my favorite Inabana shades. I'm going with that. This pencil is so I'm using the shade Cocoa instead. I'll it first, and then I'll go with Coco. And I will actually go towards the Huda Beauty Smoke Up Sessions and take this goldy shade. So this is the shade. I'm just gonna pack it in. Tiny brush and this orange shade from Huda Electric Obsessions palette. I don't really go for orange or anything that's dark and matte. For the inner corners, I go for something that's whitish, beigeish shades and stuff. But then again, I think it works fine. I go with the brush. I don't like doing my foundation with the brush. I'm more for doing my girl. But then, let's see what happens. When you're using a brush, make sure that you use it in only one direction, otherwise you'll have things all over the face. Lay down matching. That is important. It's funny how my neck and this is so tan, while this portion isn't. It never matches. It never matches. She does the concealer without concealing her forehead. Even I don't do that much. I just do my under eye. Minimum amount of product from this like really dries extremely fast. And it's even more scary because I've done my eyeshadow first. I'm actually doing one side in my style, the others are triangle, the other one in streets. That is the Kylie Jenner makeup style, and I just conceal it. Okay, I do. It's like everything before the dries up. Right now for under eye, I'll be using the Lacto 95 Natural Finishing Powder infused with green tea aloe vera extracts. This is what it looks like after there is going to be an explosion. I know! But there isn't. This is how I bake. I know I look a bit scary right now, but it'll be fine. I'll do the next 5 minutes. For that, what I do is I'll be taking the bronze contour from Lux and I'll be taking a fan brush. This is one of my hacks actually. I've not seen anyone else do this. So just take the usual fan brush that I have and I'll just roll it across my face. And for that I have the Bella Watts Ultra Matte Lip Contour in the shade Sweet Nectar. So I chose this lip color because this is the nearest one that I have to Nova, the one that she's using. Once that is done, the next step is to contour the nose. Just take it with the lightest hand and brush out the excess. So I have with me the Savannah Colors Peach Bean Blusher, and it has 3 shades, one in pink, one in orange and one in yellowish gold. And the pink shade is quite similar to the one she's using, that's the Cotton Candy of her own makeup brand. So I'll go on with that, and the lightest touch because it's too bang on color. I do not like that at all. I do not use blush at all on a regular basis, and I literally bought it off because I thought this was an eyeshadow bag. So I'm not a very blushy person, and she is, and she uses all over her face. I told you that. Just go with the lightest and blend everything in. That's more than enough. And then I'm going with the mascara. She uses a brown one. I don't have a brown one, so I'll be using my Ellen Blue Intense Black Mascara. This is something I swear by. I use it on a regular basis. I wear this to college. And this is waterproof. This is like really nice, and it's just for like $400. So very extremely easy on pocket. So I'll be using the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick in the shade 02, and I'm using this white shade actually. I'm just mixing the peach and white like I always do. It gives a better look. It looks like a blush. Your blush and highlighter both are on. So very nice. It's the pigment of it. Purchased this from a local store. I was looking for something orange and peachy, and I saw this in a local store. This is the Kylie Diary. It's obviously a fake product. I bought it for 140 rupees. I mean, 140 rupees for something that's Kylie. And this is literally the exact similar copy. The shades are pretty fine. This orange blush, I was actually looking forward to using this as a transition shade or whatever this is. Okay, nothing is actually showing up, is it? This is not visible. I really can't tell it because usually the camera is not catching it at all. And then she goes ahead and puts a lip gloss on, and I found out what it is actually. In Love with the Coco collection, the second one, and it's the lip gloss. It's the shade Sugar Plum. So this is what my eyes look like right now, and blush, everything, the highlight is pretty much me. So everything is on, and it's kind of fine. I won't do this much effort on a regular basis for my face while I'm going out, but occasionally I think this is fine. The orange on tear duct and lower lash line is like really something I didn't think I would ever do. But then there's always a first time for everything, and brings us to the end of the me following Kylie makeup tutorial video. And I would like to take a moment and thank all the subscribers for sticking. All the 95 people of you are awesome. You are great. You are awesome for sticking with me till now. It's been a year, and it's kind of like really exciting. I have been irregular. I have been very irregular. I literally have 18 videos throughout the year. That's very irregular. I'm trying to be regular, and I'm trying to upload more. And thank you to everyone, my parents, friends, Ria, for this, and for letting me know, for sharing, for helping me create this, for making me do this in the first place. And that's pretty much it. I could not be more grateful for you people to be for having my back and stuff. So okay, let's not get very gushy about it. And then don't forget to like the video if you like what I did today. And I know the colors are really bright. The colors aren't really showing up because my camera is not catching them. So I've got a picture over here. There's a lot more to come. I'll be doing my makeup collection next. The unboxings, I've stalled them for a while. I could not shoot because I have a sore throat. I am having sinus issues, and that I have to abstain myself from speaking a lot, so I cannot shoot in that while. I'll be making up for this, making up for all that's pending in the coming few weeks. Please bear with me, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, and keep watching.